So now let's see how we can utilize the Foreground Select tool inside of GIMP. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto the File menu and then open out a file right here. So I'm just going to go around and select the, let's say for example, I'm just going to go around and select out this Lotus file right here. So let's just go around and open out. So once I do that, I'm going to go around and then select out the foreground tool right here by clicking and holding on the third icon right here, and you can see that foreground select is an option over here. So once I do that, I'm going to roughly make a selection right here just like this around the object that I want to select, just like this. So once I do that, I'm going to go around and close it and press enter, and you can see that this is what you have. So now you can see that draw foreground and draw background is an option over here. So now what I'm going to go around and do right here is select out, let's say for example, draw background. So this is the background as you can see right here. So you can go around and confirm that this is the background. And now you can also go around and select out the foreground right here. Once you do that, I'm just going to go around and roughly select out the contents of the foreground right here. It does not have to be perfect, but you can simply go around and select out the content of the foreground right here. So I'm just going to go around and go around over here. I'm going to make sure that I don't go beyond the background right here. So I'm just going to go around draw background. So I just went a bit more right here. So I'm just going to go around over here and then draw around foreground over here again. So I'm just going to go around, draw around foreground right here, just like this, and select this around right here. Select this around and so forth. So once I do that, what I need to do is I need to click on select, and it computes alpha of unknown pixels right here. So it's actually processing out the data, and now you can see that it did a rough selection of the background and the foreground, as you can see right here. So if I were to go around right here, then you can see that that is what you have. So let's just go around over here onto the selection, and you can see that it selected out the foreground right here without having me to do much of the work. So it successfully selected out the flower, as you can see, just like this. And that is how you can utilize the Foreground Select tool inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.